bringing the relative humidity to 84%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was at 29.83 inches and rising. Now, here are some conditions around Wisconsin. It was clear, with a temperature of 70 at Marshfield, 70 at Wisconsin Rapids, 72 at Stevens Point, 72 at Appleton, and 69 at Oshkosh. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 71 at Medford, and 73 at Rhinelander. And now, some current regional conditions. At Minneapolis, thunder was reported, with a temperature of 79. It was clear, with a temperature of 80 at La Crosse, 76 at Eau Claire, 73 at Madison, and 72 at Milwaukee. At Duluth, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 72. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 539, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Clark and Taylor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now the forecast for your local area.